Hello students, welcome to Chemistry Hi-Fi YouTube channel. I am Sarita, your chemistry teacher. Today we will discuss about hapticity. In previous lecture of organometallic compound, we studied its introduction. In this lecture we will discuss about hapticity. So let's start. First of all, what is hapticity? A hapticity is the number of donor atoms of ligand attached to metal. Means the number of the donor atoms of a ligand which are directly attached with metal is known as hapticity and is represented by eta. Eta is a Greek word having spelling E-T-A. Okay. For example, organometallic compound and its hapticity can be represented as M eta X L. Here M is metal, eta is the hapticity, X is the number of donor atoms of the ligand L. Okay. Hapticity can be explained with this example. For example, here this is a organometallic compound. Here ligand is ethene and M is metal. This metal M can attached with this carbon either either with this carbon or this carbon. So its hapticity is 2. And in this example also the ligand is 1,3-butadiene and M is metal. This metal M can attach with either of the 4 carbons because all carbons are in conjugation. So this compound has hapticity 4. Okay. There is one more important thing for hapticity is that the atom of the ligand should be continuously attached to the metal. Means for hapticity, atom of the ligand should be continuously attached with metal. For example, here for this compound we can't say that its hapticity is 5 because this carbon is sp3 hybridized carbon. This carbon is sp3 hybridized. Due to sp3 hybridization, there is no conjugation and these 5 carbon atoms are not continuously attached with this metal M. So, this compound doesn't have eta 5 hapticity. Rather, this have eta 2 hapticity from this side and eta 2 hapticity from this side. Okay. Now, we will discuss about hapticity of various ligands. For example, first is eta 1. Eta 1 means monohaptoligand, a ligand in which only one donor atom is attached with the metal. Okay. For example, Mr. Here M is metal, R may be any ligand whose single atom is attached to the metal. For example, this R may be CH3, methyl, ethyl, acyl, okay, carbonyl, etc. And in second case, it is eta 2, dihaptoligands. Dihaptoligand means a ligand in which the 2 donor atoms attached with metal. For example, this is an example of eta 2 ligand. Here, these 2 carbon can be attached with this metal. Okay. Similarly, in eta 3 is known as trihaptoligands. Trihaptoligands mean a ligand in which there are 3 donor atoms which are directly attached with metal. Okay. For example, this is an allyl system and this allyl system all the carbons are sp2 hybridized and are attached with this metal M. This is eta 3 because 3 donor atoms are attached with this metal. Okay. Similarly, eta 4 tetrahaptoligands. Tetrahaptoligands means a ligand in which 4 donor atoms are directly attached with the metal. For example, here we have taken buta-1,3-diene, in which all the 4 carbons are attached with this metal M, and it is represented by eta 4 C4H6, 4 carbon and 6 hydrogens. Okay, also this is an also example of eta 4 ligand cyclobutadiene. Okay, and it is represented as eta 4 C4H4. Next example is eta 5. Eta 5 is pentahaptoligand. Similar way में pentahaptoligand is a ligand in which 5 donor atoms of the ligand are attached with the metal. For example, this is an example of pentahaptoligand. This is a cyclopentadienyl ring in which all the 4 atoms are attached with this metal M and represented as eta 5 C5H5 or eta 5 CP. CP is a short name for cyclopentadienyl ring. Okay. Again, next is eta 6. Eta 6 is hexahaptoligands. Hexahaptoligand means a ligand in which 6 donor atoms are directly attached with the metal. For example, here we have taken the ligand as benzene, and all the 6 carbon atom of this benzene is directly attached with the metal M. So, this is eta 6 benzene or eta 6 C6H6. Okay. Next is it haptoligand means a ligand in which 7 donor atoms are directly attached with the metal atom. Okay. For example, we have taken this tropylium cation as a ligand in which all the 7 carbon atoms are directly attached with this metal M. This also represented as by this ring, and also eta 7 C7 H7 positive charge because this is tropylium cation. Okay. Another example. Another example is eta 8. Eta 8 is Eta 8 is octahaptoligand. Octahaptoligand means a ligand in which 8 donor atoms are directly attached with this metal atom. Okay. Here we have taken example of quote. Quote is cyclooctatetraene. Okay. This is quote in which all the 8 carbon atoms are directly attached with this metal M, also represented as like this. So, eta 8 C8 H8 or eta 8 quote is an example of octahaptoligand. Octahaptoligand. Okay. Now, we will discuss about fluxinol ligands. What is fluxinol ligand? Okay. A fluxinol ligand is a ligand which can change its hapticity. And hapticity is the number of donor atom of ligand directly attached to the metal. Okay. For example, fluxinol ligand can be explained by this example of allyl system. This is allyl system. This allyl system can attached either by this single carbon atom can attached with the metal. So, this is eta 1 C3H5 or eta 1 allyl system. Okay. And also this allyl system can donate two can attached with this metal by 2 carbon, so this act as eta 2 allyl. And also because this allyl system is in resonantly stabilized, so all the 3 carbon atom can also attach with this metal center, so this also show eta 3 allyl system, eta 3 hapticity. Okay, 3 hapticity. So allyl system is a fractional ligand because allyl system can show hapticity eta 1, eta 2, eta 3. Okay. Cyclopentadienyl also behaves as fractional ligand because cyclopentadienyl can attach with this metal either through one atom, through 3 atom, or via all the 5 atom. So cyclopentadienyl can show hapticity 1, 3 and 5. So cyclopentadienyl also behaves as fractional ligands. Okay. Benzene also act as fractional ligand. Benzene can act as eta sorry benzene can also act as fractional ligand and can show a hapticity of 2, 4 and 6. Okay, so benzene is also a fractional ligand. There is an important thing for fractional ligand is that if hapticity of a ligand which is fractional in nature is not given, then we will consider its highest hapticity. Okay, then we will consider its highest hapticity. For example, if cyclopentadienyl ring is given, then we will consider its highest hapticity as 5, and if allyl system is given and its hapticity is not given, then we will consider it as eta 3. Similar way में in similar way benzene is treated as eta 6. Okay, thanks for watching this video. If someone have doubts, then you can ask me by comments. Okay, share and subscribe for more videos.